the other side. Yo, so this video is about LEDs on older cars. The issue is always going to be the no blink or super fast blinking. I had the no blink, I fixed the no blink. Now I have the super fast blinking, which I'm completely fine with, but the no blink was a problem. So when I had that push to start set up right there, I was having issues with the turn signals. Now, here's the bad thing on my end. Building this car from scratch, like taking it all apart, and the fact that it was sitting for about 5 or 6 years before I did that, I didn't even know if the blinkers even worked. So it was kind of like, it was a wild goose chase. I did the push to start install. Cool, car turns on and everything, lights don't want to work. Now I'm just tripping out what's going on. Checking the little flasher canisters, all this stuff. I know the car had a short way back when. I found out what it is already. It was the hazard light thingamajigger. But yeah, it was crazy. I was going back and forth, couldn't figure out what the hell was going on. At the end of the day, it was nothing. Well, like obviously the hazard light thing was a problem. You know, if you engage it, it loads back in. So I canceled that out. But besides that, there was no problem. All it was is that when you put LED bulbs on an older car, it ain't gonna work. So I ended up ordering these. Let me get it. So I ordered these electronic flashers. See if it has a part number. Okay, regardless, I'm gonna put the link down below for these two and the LED bulbs. These are 1157s. Now the 1157s, they go on your blinkers. That's what they are. They're like that dual chingadera where it goes. It'll do both. They'll just do the regular running lights and they'll do the blinking lights as well. That's what's the 1157. And the 1156 is like what you'll use for a reverse light. You'll use these for a reverse light, or you'll use them for, like on this car, it has 3 sets of lights on each one. 2 of them are brake and blinker, and the middle one is just a regular, just running light. So that's what you use the 1156 for. I honestly think that both the 1156 and the 1157 on these LEDs are exactly the same because they look exactly the same, but I haven't tried that out yet. Okay, so eventually, in order to eliminate the problem of the no blink, I ended up having to install these resistors right here, which I did have already here. I didn't even have to end up ordering them. I think they came with like a set of tail lights a long time ago, maybe like 4 years ago. And the way you set this up is you just go from a ground to a positive. If this is wrong, then again, hit up the comment section, because there was I believe I saw something on Google where it said you had to put one on every light, but for me it worked where I just put one on one light and it created a load for the rest of them. Where did I leave my marker at? Put light bulb. All right, and you got your. All right, you got your ground, and then you got your 12 volt. I don't know what the other wire's for, keeping it real. But it doesn't matter. Who cares about what the other wire does? So this is your resistor. Came like that, right? So what I ended up doing was tapping it in there, and that was it. And the reason why I did it in the front, because it's going to be out in the open instead of being out in the, instead of being inside the trunk of the car where it could overheat and something bad could happen. It's going to be down here underneath the radiator support. But yeah, that's all it is. See what I'm saying? And there's how you do it. So right now this one should be blinking. What I'm gonna do is tap into this right here. Flash it. So on the other one, I went ahead and just used this black right here as the ground, and this was the power. I know that because of all that messing around I was doing down there. Tap in here and here with one of these. Bruh. What did I do? I did blue, I do red. Those are blue ones. Oh, and some guy in the other video was saying that I should color coat these. They actually do come color coded, which is actually pretty cool. It comes with the gauges too. Dang, you know, it did come with the gauges. I just don't pay attention to stuff, you know? I got ADHD, man. I just do what I want when I want. Gets me into trouble sometimes. See that? Alright, come on, Lee.
Go.
What's up, everybody? Alright. Now, in theory, this should work. Should I do it? Ah!
Record it back.
All right. So yeah, that's it. That's all it does. It's not, you know, they said it would get hot right away. I don't feel nothing. But I guess this creates a load. And I'm telling you, I tried everything. I checked all my grounds, which I guess is not a bad thing because, I mean, from building this car from the ground up, technically it's good to double check all that stuff. Yeah, it's actually not blinking fast either no more. I guess maybe because now I created a load on this side. Maybe it's getting it from both sides. But hey, electricians out there, stereo shop guys, chime in, you know? Let me know. Put me on game. So that was LED conversion. Pretty easy thing to do. Just get those things. I'm gonna go ahead and drop all the links below. On a lot of my videos, you're gonna be seeing a lot of the same tools in the links, but I mean, it's what you're gonna need, you know? So, I mean, you could buy it anywhere else because it was the cheapest place to get them. I'm not gonna lie, the flashers, I went to AutoZone yesterday, right? And I'm not bagging AutoZone. I go to AutoZone a lot because it's just right down the street. But I go there, one flasher was 16 bucks and they didn't even have it. You know, and they're like, oh, we can get it to you by tomorrow at 12 or 1 o'clock in the afternoon. Went on Amazon, I kid you not, I got it at 2 in the morning. So at 5 in the morning, I was out here drinking a coffee, fixing this situation, and responding to YouTube comments.